What's up, guys? So you know I've been doing spider plants for a little while now. I've loved it as a pastime. It's a pretty awesome little hobby. Today I'm going to show you how to cut some of your little saplings and remake more spider plants. And you can make your pots out of anything. I've been using to-go cups to start until they get bigger and I put them in something. So we're going to go through the process and let's get it. So now I'll just take like a sports drink bottle that I'm done with and I will cut it kind of 3/4 up, about 1/4 down right there at that lip. Wow! Get in there. And we'll cut right across. Boop. After that, we're going to poke holes in the bottom. And that's going to be our temporary pot, starter pot. So I just take a push pin. I go around the edges, about 10 holes. Pretty evenly spaced. Also in the middle here I like to poke some holes on those little indentions just to give it some extra flow. So I'll do each one of these indentions here, and this will be a great place for my plant to start out. Definitely wash your cup out too. You see the water? Don't forget to wash your cup. Now we're going to turn this into that by just adding some potting soil to it. No problem. And then what you want to do is you want to make a hole in the center. Right, like I've done these several ones here. Hey! What's up, y'all? So now you just want to create a hole. I use my finger, I just kind of spin softly, not put too much pressure. I don't want to pack the dirt down too much, but you're going to create yourself a little hole right here. Depending on the size of your plant and its stems, you can tell, but I'm going to go up to about the second knuckle. And there we are. Beautiful. So now we have these pots ready for plants. So now you want to cut. I go as high up as I can on the stem. So we're going to go right up to the butt here of the main stem. We're going to cut it right off. There's one. Take this one right up here at the top. Boop, cut it right off too. And there's another spider plant ready to be put in the ground. So I'm going to leave the very end one attached just to encourage growth on that vine. There we go. Baby spider plants. They look piled up like a bunch of spiders. And then we still have spider plants on the very end. Here's another one that needs to come off. More baby spiders. Alright, she's ready to make more. We kept just those end ones on there. So now we just have to add these into these. Bloop. We're going to get those packed in nicely. So the mother stem, or its umbilical cord, needs to be cut off there. And then you take it and you want to have dirt right around the bottom, so just let it set right on top of some dirt. We'll take off these little dead pieces here too. it sits perfectly, just barely reaching out of the brim of the pot. And that's where you want it. We'll add some extra dirt on top of it because the height is pretty perfect. Now we'll grab some dirt, put it on there, clear off its leaves a bit, and we'll kind of pat that down around it. And there is the new home for your baby spider plant. We'll add some water to this, maybe a little more dirt, and then we'll let it soak in some sunshine. That's a baby spider plant. So now we got little guy number 2 going in, and he's kind of got a crooked stalk, so we're going to make sure that he gets leveled there. Perfect. Now our last little guy has just found himself a home in that pot, and it's time to water these little guys. So let's do it. Won't mess up your quality as much. Might as well water our old guy while we're here.